Most med spa ads look nice, but they don't actually book. Today, we're breaking one down, rewriting it live, using the structure from our $97 ad rewrite that's helped med spas all over the country turn cold traffic into paying clients. Let's dive into this one from Blessed Beauty Boutique in Phoenix. All right, so here's their ad, and here's the thing. This ad is loaded with information, but light on inspiration. Yes, it lists the service, the benefits, and the tech, but it doesn't make you feel anything. There's no emotional hook, no transformation story, no, oh my God, I need this right now moment. Phrases like, non invasive, visible results, right, are technically helpful, but they're overused and clinical. This ad is missing urgency, clear stakes, and relatable language that makes someone stop scrolling and say, that's me. Also, the offer is great, right? Only $195 versus the 450 with a bunch of freebies here, but it's buried in a sea of bullet points. It's not working hard enough up front to get attention. And finally, there's no local love, right? If you're in Phoenix, call me out. Make me feel seen. That's how you get bookings now, not later. All right, let's go ahead and rewrite this ad using the exact formula we use in our $97 ad rewrites, built for emotion, urgency, and convergence. I'm gonna go ahead and just screenshot this ad copy here just so I have it as a reference point in my document. Let me upload that here. And resize that a bit just so I can see it. All right, so we'll start with the ad copy. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call out Phoenix. So, hey Phoenix. All right, so you notice ads for them. Struggling, struggling with stubborn fat that just won't budge, question mark. Smooth it, sculpt it, fall in love with your shape in just one visit. Okay, sculpt it, fall in love with your shape in just one visit. For a limited time, get our shape and sculpt starter session for just $195. It's normally is it at $450? So normally $450. Period. It includes one full body contouring treatment, free red light therapy, value $99, custom plan plus $195 credit toward any package. Only 15 spots this month and they go fast. This treatment feels like a spa day, but works like a workout. Firming, tightening, and boosting your confidence without surgery, pain, or downtime. Ready to look snatched by summer? Tap below. We'll text you the details. All right. Let's change their firming and boosting here. So now we're gonna go into headlines. So I'll give you a couple of headlines to work with here. The first one, snatched in one session, $195 deal. Phoenix Fat fix limited spots. Okay, so let's talk about why this works. So we flip the script by starting with a strong local hook, right? Hey, Phoenix. And then pulling the viewer into an emotional transformation, not a tech spec. Instead of leading with what it is, we led with what it does, how it feels, what it fixes, and the confidence it creates, right? So smooth it, sculpt it, fall in love with your shape in just one visit. We also push the urgency up front, right? So limited spots, limited time offer, right? Bold savings, and a time-sensitive reason to click right now. The copy uses punchy, sensory language. We've got snatched by summer, spa day, right? Spa day meets workout, plus stacked value in a format that's scroll stopping and trust building. This is exactly what we do inside our $97 ad rewrite. We don't just polish what you have, we rebuild it to actually book. Want one like this for your med spa? Click the link below and grab it now.